my Dark Unicorn tutorial and the very first Halloween tutorial of 2018. I'm so excited. It's almost Halloween. Sort of. It's September, but it's almost Halloween. I'm so excited. So anyway, if you want to see how to create this look, keep watching and enjoy. I'm starting off with covering my whole face, neck, and chest in white using Cheek FX, which used to be the brand Wolf that I used to use. Same product, just different name. White is so annoying to do, so it helps to let each layer dry. Otherwise you get stupid patches like me that will never go away. I feel like white is one of the worst colors to use for face paint. Because, like, you know, you put it on, you think it looks great, and then it dries, and you're like, oh, what have I done? While I'm fighting with this stupid patch, I'm going to powder the rest of my body. I'm setting that with RCMA's No Color Powder. This will help when trying to blend the eyeshadows afterwards. If it's sticky, it won't blend, and you might flake some of that white off. I took my shirt and brought it up close to my neck so no fallout would land on my chest. Next, I'm adding blue around the face and under my cheekbones. This is Fairy Dust from Suva. I'm lightly adding it at first, and then I can build up in spots that I want darker. To really darken up that contour, I'm using Sugarpill's Bulletproof and blending it into the blue. I'm going under my chin to really hide that double chin. Beside that contour, I'm going to be fading it out with the color BA from Suva. Then as a transition color, I'm using Sugarpill's Velocity. I don't really clean off my brushes in between colors. The color just ends up blending together anyways. Taking that mixture of Sugarpill's Poison Plum and Velocity and bringing it along the bridge of my nose and up to the edge of my eyebrows. Add colors back and forth until you get the color combo that you like. With more purple, I brought it onto the tip of my nose. I'm dragging more of that dark blue almost into a faded point and then fading it out with a hint more of purple. If it's not dark enough, you can always add black to add more contrast. With more of the purple and blue combo, I'm going along my jawline and bringing that color down onto my neck. So I don't get fallout under here, I'm going to have to keep my head down. So I will try my best to show you what I'm doing. Horribly uncomfortable and a terrible angle for filming, but I didn't get much eyeshadow on my cheeks, so that's a win. I started with black on the outer and inner corner of my eye. On the lower lash line I added blue and then purple beside that. I then added Sugarpill's Diamond Eyes to the middle. I then dragged down some of those colors to fade it out a little more. I did the same colors in the crease except for the white. I connected the purple together. Then added a hint of Diamond Eyes as a highlight on the brow bone. Using my finger to protect from fallout, I added Diamond Eyes to the lid. For a base on the lips, I'm using NYX Oh Put It On. It's a really pretty dark purple. Then over top of that, I'm using Suva's BA again. It's a die-for color over a dark base. I took some of that purple and dragged it up around the Cupid's bow. I do take it down a bit and blend it out so it's not as intense as it is here. Under the nose, I used a hint of blue and blended it outwards. And of course faded that out with some more purple. I took some of that purple and brought it into the middle of the Cupid's bow. I did the same thing under my lips as well. I'm now taking the color onto my neck and chest. I started off with blue with a giant brush and went around near my shoulders and around near my neck. Then I went in and darkened it with the purple around my collarbone and the sides of my neck. I filled in my eyebrows with black to help them stand out a little more. Next, I'm adding white dots mainly in the darker areas with a NYX white eyeliner pen. There's no real rhyme or reason as to the placement, it's just wherever you feel needs it. I then winged my liner out with an eyeliner pen. What magical beast is complete without glitter? I'm using Lit Cosmetics Northern Lights in size 4 with their glitter glue and put it on the lid and then dragged it down into the white section under my eye. Then to top it off, I added some to my lips. And that's it, you're done. You're a magnificent unicorn. No! Don't lick my face. I haven't done my pictures yet.